Yo, what's going on, guys? I will be going over the 3 trading days: Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday today. Um, so you guys can see what I did. I took yesterday was a losing day, and Monday, the day before, I took a loss and a win. Um, First, I did not follow my my plan, kind of, on gold, because I said to myself that I was not trading gold anymore in the night, because the liquidity is really shit. The price action is really shit. It really does nothing. But I was still up that time, and yeah, I saw this was on Monday. Market opened the week before. I did not trade on the Monday on gold because of the same reasons, but then there was a nice opportunity, so I thought today Monday might be the same as well. So I was looking at this consolidation. The market just opened, so that's normal. Then it broke out, it retested it, and then it had this nice push up. So I thought this is looking very nice. I might enter right there in the fair value gap. We're on the 1 hour and 4 hour, we're just consolidating really much all of the time. But I thought we could go for a little swing to this high to fill up this massive gap. The trade was going very well at the first minutes. It was something like this. I already had I risked this might be the problem. I risked too less on this rate, so I was aiming really high. 0.36% is actually not that high, but in these times it is. So I did not go break even, even though I should have, maybe. The 2 a.m. candle opened and it just flushed me out, so that was my loss. Then that same day I traded Nasdaq, so on the 8th. Alright, let me see what I did there. I took some shorts. So okay, this one was a very good trade, because my actual bias, let me see where my actual bias was this ginormous move. I thought we were gonna come to this high, and yeah, that was my trading idea before the market opened. This stupid thing, man. Okay, so we jumped right up, almost hitting my TP. I was not in the trade, but that was the thing. On ES, we had not really a reaction, so we created an SMT. Where's it? Yeah. So it really just dumbed down, and then when I looked at Nasdaq, I saw that we just swapped some liquidity. It was a fake out. The price went up, took some liquidity, went down. So I this was a 1 and a 3 minute, I think, fair value gap. I took my shorts around this point. Don't know where my stop loss, something like this, and my take profit was not there, but a little bit above, on a point. I think, no, not there. Yeah, I think I was not really aiming for a point. I was just aiming for a 1, 2, 3. So yeah, that happened nicely. I made back my loss and I was happy. The next day I did not trade gold as it should, but I took a trade on Nasdaq, and this might be one of my biggest faults in a while. I saw that there was a SMT. Is it on Nasdaq? Yes. Alright, I saw that there was an SMT, a really big one. Let me go to the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour we had so this Nasdaq went not made SMT, but took out this low, and ES did not take out that low. This was a really big SMT. So first I was just I really was a drone, and I took a short because my bias was a short normally. So the market opened, and I really trade really fast, because if that SMT was not there, it was probably a short. I did something like this, yes, and then I was aiming for some other points of interest, so nothing crazy, something like that, something further. But yeah, as you can see, it shot up. It just swept some liquidity and went back up. Yeah, this was really stupid, but okay. Then I took another trade, and here I made another big mistake. So I saw the SMT, and I knew we were going up. My entry, so I saw this candle, this breaking this high, it retraced, and then I entered after this candle. My stop loss, I do it around 0.10%, so I did that, and yeah, it just wicked me out. And then slowly this shit price action went slowly up. I think my actual take profit would have been this, something like that, or even this could be, but the biggest fault I made was not this, but it was ES. ES was a leading pair of this trend. So let's remove this. ES was the leading pair, so I could have took that trade here, but then I was still in a short on Nasdaq. So this was also a 1 minute SMT, this, and on Nasdaq was way lower, so that's something to look at. And then here the same situation. If I did this, just this, and then I think, yeah, my take profit was this or this was London, and this was Asian, something Asian. So yeah, this would have been much better. So my biggest lesson from this is always look at the SMTs. Be patient, because I was not really patient with that first rate. I should have looked better into it. Yeah. Then today I actually got a break-even trade on a A+ setup, in my opinion. Let's see. I need to mark this out again. On the 4 hour. So Nasdaq on the 4 hour, we have this and this. So on ES on the 4 hour, we had this and this. This is a big SMT to the upside on Nasdaq. Nasdaq is a leading pair, so we're looking at Nasdaq for trades. The thing was, there was also a SMT to the downside, but that was already filled. This one, and on yes, it was like that. We already took out this low, so we completed the SMT. If you look at the 4 hour and the daily, we are probably turning bearish again. So that was the one thing I was worried about, that we just go through that SMT. But then I was really waiting for this. I wanted this to happen. Is this from today? Yes. So this was London low. Yep. It completely swept this, created an inverse fair value gap. Bang. Then the candle Nasdaq just swiped the inverse, and this was so a clean setup. Normally I did this underneath that. I was aiming for this was not London high, this was a London high. It was really 4, but also not 0.45%. On a good day, we're easily taking this, or at least this. I was ready to take my profits or a part of this around this area. But if you can see, we broke a little bit out to the upside. And what is really strange, so we had an SMT on Nasdaq, but ES actually got further up. Oh, I see now that it retested again here, and now I don't know, man. Nasdaq. Alright, so my entry was more down there. Let me fix this. So I took my break even. I was normally I let this play out, but yeah, this price action you just don't fuck with, man. Yeah, that's so. I really, this was a plus setup for me. Maybe because it's December, it's all a bit slower. Also, we have FOMC in a few hours, so yeah, might be that. But okay, thank you guys for watching this. Hope you learned something, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.